Good evening, everybody. My name is Mohammed Al Jibri, and I'm going to be a biology teacher for this semester. Today we're going to be discussing the biology of cells. Okay. As you all know, every human being is made of cells. Every living things are made of cells. Okay. We have different types of cells. But the most important or the most popular cells we usually talk about is the bacterial cell, the human cell, the animal cell. Okay, but before we start this class, I'm going to introduce you guys. I'm going to give you a brief history of cell. Okay. Um, First of all, Robert Hooke is the scientist who first discovered cell. Although later, after he had discovered cell, it was realized that was in 1665. It was realized that he only discovered a dead cell membrane, okay, from back of a tree. So there've been a lot of research that have gone after beyond that to kind of give us more information about cells. Um, then he called it was derived from the Latin word called cellula. Okay, cellula means small compartment of something. Then after that we had a lot of scientists that came and developed more theories. We had more stories. We had more pictures. Now we have a very good version of the cell. But today we're not going to be talking about much of all the cells. We're going to be discussing only the two types of cells we're going to discuss. Okay, we have the eukaryotes and the prokaryotes. Okay, um, the prokaryote is one cell, it's a very tiny cell without nucleus. Okay, not so complex, very simple. The prokaryote is divided into three parts. Okay, the prokaryotes have the outside, the inside, and the flagellum. The flagellum is a whip-like structure used to work. Okay, that's what they used to move from one point to another. The inside is contains three things. It contains the cytoplasm, the ribosomes, and the nucleoid. Okay, the nucleoid contains most part of that cell. Okay, while the outside contains the cell membrane, the cell wall, and the capsule. Um, Now we're going to look into the eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell is a more complex cell found in animal, plants, and more complex organisms. It has a lot of functions. The eukaryotic cell contains the nucleus, which is the brain of the cell. It contains the mitochondria. The mitochondria is known as a powerhouse, famously called the powerhouse. Also, the lysosome, the ribosome is also contained in the eukaryotic cell. Um, in biology, we say the nucleus, the lysosome, and the ribosome are together known as the organelle. Okay. When we talk about the different types of cells, we usually try to expatiate more in those two types of cell at the beginning of cell biology. As you all know, every living thing is made of cells, right? So one cell, two cell comes together to form a tissue. Then after that, multiple tissue comes together to form an organ, and after that, more organs come together to form either a whole structure, like an organism, maybe an animal, a plant, or anything. So this is a brief introduction about the types of cell. So our next class, we're going to be discussing about cell division. Okay, we have two types of cell division. Okay, we have the binary fission, we have the mitosis, we have the meiosis. Okay, these are types of division that tells us or that gives us more details about cell division and how cells are formed. How cells are reproduced, your good reproductive state, and other forms of cells. Okay, we're going to end the class at this point, but I'd like you guys to ask me some questions if you have any misunderstanding about any other things. Okay, what can you tell me, Frank? Okay. Yes. The animal cell and the plant cell falls under the category of the eukaryotic cells. Okay. While the prokaryotic cell are simple bacteria, non-complex bacteria. Okay, something very simple. Yes, that's it. Okay, take a look at the diagram. You can see the structures and the functions of each of the cells. They're going to tell you what they do, what use known for. You can see the nucleus, which is the head, the brain of the cell. The powerhouse is the mitochondria in terms of the eukaryotic cells. The lysosome used for cleaning, okay, used to clean waste out of the cell, okay, the ribosomes, the organelles. Yes, thank you so much for your time. See you.